How to backup and restore OPPO Reno7 Z contact, chat and data. This is a great smartphone that has a 6.43-inch LCD screen and is powered by Qualcomm SM6375 Snapdragon 695 processor, so we can use 5G connectivity to access broadband internet. We will have many important data saved inside the phone storage. So we have to back up all data before some issues like phone lost or damaged. At this time, we cannot access our data such as contacts, text messages, photos, videos, history, and others. Some users don't know how important it is to back up data to prevent data loss. OPPO Reno7 Z has 128 GB internal memory with micro SDXC external memory slot. We can use this external memory as a backup destination. When it was first released to the market, OPPO Reno7 Z installed Android 12 with ColorOS 12 user interface. We should know that this phone has many automatic backups to save our data, but sometimes the automatic backup does not work properly. So we have to make sure that all backup procedures are working in the right state. OPPO Reno7 Z has triple rear cameras of 64 MP for wide plus 2 MP for macro plus 2 MP for depth of field. We have to back up all photo videos to secure locations. Follow some steps below to back up all your photos and videos in secure cloud storage backup for free automatically with Google Photos. We can open all photo backup videos with computer browser outside of OPPO Reno7 Z. There are some apps that already store their data on the cloud, like Facebook, Instagram or Gmail and some others. We can skip to back up some apps like this. Please note that some menus may differ due to Android firmware upgrade to the latest version. Simple procedure to backup and restore in OPPO Reno7 Z. On most of the OPPO smartphones, we can find the OPPO backup and restore procedure with simple one-click steps. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Open menu settings, additional settings, backup and reset. In some versions go to settings about phone. Please choose to turn on the backup my data option. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please choose to turn on the automatic restore option. To create a new backup, please click on the backup and restore menu, then click on the create a new backup button. Choose select all data to be backed up and press start backup button, then choose backup to phone storage or backup to external storage. To restore backup data, in steps number 6, we will see a list of backup data that was created before, then choose the date we want to restore. Make sure all the data we want to restore is selected and then click start restore. Wait for all data recovery on OPPO Reno7 Z to finish. OPPO Reno7 Z manual backup and restore procedure. Sign in with Google account to backup contact or phone book on OPPO Reno7 Z. Almost all of us will have many contacts or phone book data in our OPPO Reno7 Z which are very important for our activity. We have to back up all important data in a secure location. An important thing when using Android is that we can sync our contact data with the Google account. What we need to do is make sure that our phone is already logged in with our personal Google account. After logging in with a Google account, this phone will by default automatically sync or backup data to Google Cloud Server, so we will have storage space for 2 phone books. One is on the OPPO Reno7 Z and the other is in the store contacts.google.com. Please check this address to make sure all data is actually backed up to a Google server. Here are the steps to check that our OPPO Reno7 Z is actually backed up to Google Cloud Server. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Open the menu settings users and account Google, and make sure your Gmail account is already set up. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please see our account and make sure sync is turned on. How to back up phone or contact book in OPPO Reno7 Z manually to SD card. Besides backing up our contact in Google Cloud, we can also back up or export our contact or phone book in OPPO Reno7 Z by using Export List in Contact List. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Open Apps, Contacts. Choose All Contacts to backup, Contacts menu Export Contacts. Choose Export to Storage, SD card. The name of the exported file will be displayed to tell us where the exported file is located. Finish the OPPO Reno7 Z contact backup to the memory card. How to backup photo on OPPO Reno7 Z. It is also important to back up the photo because with the good camera quality in OPPO Reno7 Z, we will have many important photos for the special moments. There are several options to back up our media like pictures and photos to several locations. The easiest step is to back up our media to an external microSD memory card. But for this step, we need to prepare our micro SD card first and insert it into the memory card slot of our OPPO Reno7 Z. Backup or copy to external memory card. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Open the home screen. Find File Manager, File Commander and launch it. Choose Internal Storage, we will see many folders. Press and hold on one folder to select. After selecting one folder, we will see the list below. Choose Select All in the menu below. Choose Copy, or Move, but better use Copy to reduce lost files. Select Menu SD card. Choose the new folder where we want to copy those files. Choose Paste. Please be sure to manually check in the microSD folder that all files have already been copied. Backup or copy to computer. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Connect OPPO Reno7 Z to the computer with a USB data cable. Make sure that the computer can connect to the OPPO Reno7 Z memory card, otherwise, try swiping the notification area down from the OPPO Reno7 Z, and select Connect USB as media. If the computer is already able to read the data of the OPPO Reno7 Z phone, use the Computer File Explorer to open the SIM folders in the OPPO Reno7 Z, and copy all the folders or files to a specific location on our computer. If everything is finished, please try to open all the images from our computer to make sure all data is already backed up, exported or copied without problem. OPPO Reno7 Z Restore Google_Photos Backup. Backup OPPO Reno7 Z photos, videos to Google Photos Cloud Storage. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Make sure we have installed the Google Photos apps from the Google Play Store. Open Google Photos apps on OPPO Reno7 Z. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose your Google Backup account. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose Upload Size with high quality, more files backed up with less file size. By default, photos and videos will be backed up to Google Photos Unlimited Backup when OPPO Reno7 Z is connected to Wi-Fi. OPPO Reno7 Z Recovery Procedure. Restore backup contact from Google account on OPPO Reno7 Z. If we reformat or manually reset OPPO Reno7 Z, all data will be removed or erased, so we need to restore all contacts back to OPPO Reno7 Z. Here is how to restore. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Go to Settings Users and Account Google. Add our Google or Gmail account. At the first time, we can force Contacts Sync to restore contacts from Google server to OPPO Reno7 Z. Make sure that sync is turned on to continue syncing our contact with the Google Cloud server. Restore backup contact from micro SD card to OPPO Reno7 Z. Turn on the OPPO Reno7 Z. Choose Contacts. Choose List from Contacts. Import contact. Choose Import from Storage, SD card. Choose where we can save our contact. Choose to import vCard file. Follow the tips and tricks to fix and soft reset your OPPO Reno7 Z. Restore backed up photos and videos from Google Photos in OPPO Reno7 Z. Install Google Photos on OPPO Reno7 Z. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. Sign in to your previous Google account for Google Photos apps. Wait for a few moments when your OPPO Reno7 Z is connected to Wi-Fi, then our photos and videos will be restored to our phone. How to backup and restore WhatsApp chat history and media files on OPPO Reno7 Z. WhatsApp is a popular chat apps installed from the Google Play Store. We will have many confidential data and important chat history on WhatsApp, so we need to make sure that all data is backed up securely on our phones and also on cloud servers. Please follow these steps to backup and restore OPPO Reno7 Z WhatsApp history and media files on cloud server and local storage.